Hello, this is Mr. Collier, and today we're solving nonlinear simultaneous equations. So if we take a look at the first equation, well, we've got x, and the second one's got x squared and y squared. So one thing you can always do is you can solve for one variable and then substitute into the other equation. So we're going to do that for the first one. You can do it for x or y. I think I'll solve for x here. We'll have x equals 1 minus y. Then we can take that and substitute that into the x for the second equation. So we get 1 minus y squared minus y squared equals 5. 1 minus 2y plus y squared minus y squared equals 5. And then we'll solve this. We get y equals negative 2, right? Okay, so we'll substitute that into the second equation, or this one right here if you want. X equals 1 minus the y value, which is negative 2, we get x equals 3. So that's one way to do it. There's another shortcut way for this one. If you look at the second equation, you can actually factorize and you get x minus y, x plus y equals 5. Okay, we know x plus y equals 1, so you can plug that in here. And you get x minus y times 1 equals 5. So you get x minus y equals 5. You can bring this equation down and solve simultaneously. By adding, you get 2x equals 6, x equals 3, and then you plug it in to get the y value, you get y equals negative 2. So there's two ways to do that one. Okay, let's take a look at this equation. Now the second equation has fractions. So let's get rid of the fractions by multiplying by xy. And we get y minus x equals 2xy. Okay, so then we can maybe solve the first equation. For y would be the easiest thing to do. Y equals 1 minus 2x. And then substitute that in for y in the second equation. Okay, so we get 1 minus 2x is the y value. Minus x equals 2x times 1 minus 2x. So that's 1 minus 3x equals 2x minus 4x squared. I'll bring the x squared to the other side, so we got 4x squared. And I'll subtract 2x from both sides. We got minus 5x plus 1 equals 0. And can we factorize that? Two numbers multiply give me 4. Add give me negative 5. Be negative 4 and negative 1. So that's 4x squared minus 4x minus 1x plus 1 equals 0. Factor out the negative 1 from the second two terms. So we get this. And we get two possibilities. We get x equals 1 or a quarter. Okay, so now we get the y value. Y equals 1 minus 2x. So 1 minus, let's actually do this more systematically. Okay, if we have x equals 1 and x equals a quarter, we get different y values. So we get y equals 1 minus 2x. So y equals negative 1. Here y equals 1 minus 2 times a quarter. 1 minus half, which is half. So your two answers are x equals 1, y equals negative 1, or x equals a quarter, y equals half.